Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn from where to download Scratch application. But before that we will discuss what is Scratch. So Scratch is the software, or we can say it is a programming language with the help of which you can create interactive stories, animation, games, projects and so on. So basically with the help of Scratch you can create interactive stories, animation, games, etc. Now let me show you the steps to download Scratch application. First, make sure your system is connected with internet, then open any browser. I am opening Chrome browser. Okay. Now type here Scratch download, SCRATCH. Okay, then click enter. Now we need this version, Scratch 2.0. So click on it. And here we are. Now scroll it down, come down, and yes, this is Scratch offline editor. We need this offline editor. So if you have Mac operating system, if you have Windows operating system, you choose accordingly. So click, if you have Windows operating system, then click on download and your setup for Scratch application will get downloaded here. Okay, so I have already downloaded Scratch here. So what I'll do, I'll pause this. Okay, now how to open Scratch? Click on start button and search for Scratch here. I'm typing initial of Scratch and it is here, Scratch 2. Okay, so here we are. This one is our Scratch 2 offline editor, and this is our character that appears by default. Okay, you will get this by default. We call it sprite in Scratch. This character is we call sprite here. By default you will get this cat figure as sprite. We call it sprite in Scratch. You can change or delete this sprite from here. Just right click on this and choose delete, and that previous sprite will get deleted. If you want to add another sprite here, just place your pointer here and you will see many sprites here. Choose any sprite. Okay, and then click OK, and your sprite will be added here. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.